All right, I had just recorded a full video and I can't find it, and so I'm going to kind of walk you through what's on the screen right now and where I got this information from. So I had brought over the previous video's results here to a new tab and then got rid of the language, and I started building some analysis, as you can see on the screen here. So I wanted to first calculate the no loss time to no loss time ratio, or express it, just to see how the company's record keeping practices were for 2008, because that's what we're looking at right now. And so the no loss time, I put column J, and you may look and go, but I see column K. But K is the Excel sheet, but in the log itself it's J. Other recordable cases under J, that's our no loss time. The total in J is 15, so that's what goes there. The lost time are both the days away restricted to transfer. Those are columns H and I. Again, it's I and J for the Excel sheet, but it's H and I for the log. So, and that equals 6, 3 plus 3. So 15 to 6 is about a 2.5 to 1. That's greater than the 1 to 1. We could actually look at our industry, which I didn't do last time, so I'll do it now. But right now, we're suspecting it's good. We do not suspect there's underreporting and recording at this point in time. Then what I did is I created this table here. I got 2008. I did that so I could copy and paste it. I got the number of total cases, the number of DART cases, the number of hours worked. I calculated the TCIR, calculated the DART, and then I looked up their peers. It's in BLS 2008 NAICS 336. So let's go to that right now. I believe I still have it available. I did not, so I got to look it up again. www.bls.gov, and under subjects I go to workplace injuries. I click on current injury and illnesses, incidence rates, and then I get to choose these different years. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to go through and you're going to look at 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, I'm doing 8 for you because that's the year we're looking at. I'm going to open it up as a PDF, and I'm going to scroll down to table 1, and then I will make it bigger for the screen. So here we are. This is 2008. We're looking for 336, and it's right here. Transportation equipment manufacturing in NAICS 336. The total case incidence rate is 6. The DART is 3.1. So I guess where I got the 6 and the 3.1. Their no loss time to loss time is essentially 2.9 to 3.1. So they are just under a 1 to 1. We are at a 2.5 to 1. We're reporting more no loss time than our industry peers, and so we're doing better than them in that regard. Now what we want to do is interpret what the incidence rates are, and what we're basically asking is how is the company's safety program performing, both from a record keeping perspective and performance wise. Now we would like to be able to trend data over time, but when we have just an individual year, our only comparison data really is our peers in the Bureau of Labor Statistics reports. So our TCIR, our total case incidence rate, is slightly greater than our peers, but I don't know why I have it written 3 times. You know what? I'm going to get rid of these two. I don't need both of those. There we go. But we know that the BLS data is biased. Remember that study we talked about in lecture, that on BLS we're really only seeing about 1/3 of what's really going on. But that was according to one report. Just when we're a little bit above, we shouldn't freak out because our record keeping is even better. That's what explains it. A more robust measure, a better way to assess or compare, is our DART, because there's less, it's more difficult to underrecord this stuff, even though it still can be done. Our DART is lower than our peers. And so even with an industry-wide tendency to underreport, underrecord, we're below it still. And so we are doing better than our peers. In 2008, our record keeping is good. And according to our DART incidence rate, we're doing better than our peers. And so at this point in time, we can dictate that the safety program is performing well. I mean, there's still opportunities to improve it, of course. But it's doing pretty well. That's what the result really is here. So I'm going to stop the video and see if we can't process this.